Welcome. In this video, we will briefly discuss how to add a new worksheet and rename a worksheet using Excel VBA. Here we have our Sales tab. What we will do is copy the information from the Sales tab and add it to a brand new worksheet. I want to copy all of this, add a new sheet, and paste the data here on the new sheet. We will do that using Excel VBA. First, let us open Visual Basic and write our code. The first code we will write is to add the new worksheet and rename the worksheet. That is our code. Now let's run the code. So the first part of our code works. So it added a new sheet and renamed it new sheet as we specified. Now we will add to our code to copy the data from one sheet and paste it to the new sheet. So what we are telling VBA to do is to copy the data from cell A1 through K38. Now, once we copy, we will then tell VBA to add a new sheet, rename the sheet, and paste. And there you have it. We have copied the data from one sheet, added a new sheet, renamed that sheet, and paste the data that we copied to a new sheet, all using Excel VBA. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. We appreciate your support. Link to our Cash App is down below.